Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing swatches on the Morphe 9A Always Golden Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is exclusive to Ulta. So the palette retails for $12 and it has 9 eyeshadows. The packaging of the palette is a matte black packaging with a snap closure, and it also includes a mirror. So this is a good palette for beginners since it has eyeshadows that can be used to create everyday looks, or it's just a perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. I like that the names of the eyeshadows are printed on the palette instead of the clear plastic that protects the eyeshadows. I also like the compact size that makes it perfect for traveling. So I added a clip where it shows the 3 exclusive palettes to Ulta, and all of these are available now online and they each retail for $12. So this palette has a total of 6 mattes and the rest are shimmery shades. After swatching the palette, I noticed that the shimmer shades are not as creamy as Morphe is known for. They are very pigmented, so that's what counts. So overall the palette was good, especially for the price. So I'll go ahead and link it down below, and I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.